Well, students, topic of the video is indices. Formulas of indices is if you multiply a into a dot dot up to a times, up to m times, then this one becomes a to the power m. If there is 1 by a to the power m, then you can write a to the power minus m. If a to the power m into a to the power n into a to the power p, then a to the power m plus n plus p. If a to the power m by a to the power n, then a to the power m minus n. Fifth formula is a to the power 0 is always equals to 1 provided a not equal to 0. And these are the formulas of indices. And the another formula 6, if a to the power x equal a to the power y, that implies x equal to y provided a not equal to 0 and a not equals to 1. And seventh formula, if a to the power x equal b to the power x, that implies a equal to b provided x not equal to 0. Now sums on these on indices. Now simplify 9 to the power n plus 1 by 4 into square root of 3 into 3 to the power n by 3 square root of 3 to the power minus n whole to the power 1 by n. There is a property a to the power m whole to the power n equals to a to the power mn. And one thing you have to remember, a to the power 2 whole to the power 3, this one is a to the power 8, but a to the power 2 whole to the power 3, this one is a to the power 6. If there is a bracket, then power is multiply. If there is no bracket, so 2 to the power 3 is just a multiplication 2-3 times, so becomes a to the power 8. Now this sum is 9 can be written as 3 square whole to the power n plus 1 by 4 into this one is 3 to the power 1 plus n whole to the power half by 3 into 3 to the power minus n by 2 whole to the power 1 by n. Now 3 to the power 2 into n plus 1 by 4 into 3 to the power 1 plus n by 2 by 3 to the power 1 minus n by 2 whole to the power 1 by n. This one equals to 3 to the power 2n plus 2 by 4 plus 1 plus n by 2 minus 1 minus n by 2 whole to the power 1 by n. This one equals to 3 to the power 2n plus half plus n by 2 minus 1 plus n by 2 whole to the power 1 by n. This one equals to, this one is 3 this one equals to 3 to the power 2n, n by 2 plus n by 2 is n, 2n plus n is 3n, half plus half is 1, 1 minus 1 0, so this one is 0 whole to the power 1 by n. So this one becomes 3 to the power 3n by n, so n cancel, this one becomes 3 to the power 3, 3 to the power 3 is 27. This is final answer. Next sum is simplify x to the square root not eleventh root of x to the power l by x to the power m, mnth root of x to the power m by x to the power n, nlth root of x to the power n by x to the power l. So this one can be written as x to the power l minus m whole to the power 1 by lm into x to the power m minus n whole to the power 1 by mn into x to the power n minus l whole to the power 1 by nl. Now if mth root of x, this one can be written as x to the power 1 by m. By this formula we can write this. So x to the power l minus m by lm into x to the power m minus n by mn into x to the power n minus l by nl. So x to the power l minus m by lm in plus m minus n by mn plus n minus l by nl. So this one becomes LCM of lmn is lmn. So or this one can be written as like this, l by l minus m minus m by lm plus m by mn minus n by mn plus n by nl minus l by nl. So x to the power 1 by m minus 1 by l plus 1 by n minus 1 by m plus 1 by l minus 1 by n. By cancellation 1 by n, 1 by n, 1 by l, 1 by l, 1 by n, 1 by m. This one becomes x to the power 0. So final answer is 1. In the next video on this topic we discuss few more sums on indices.